2016. SAVIC journey started from 8 technocrats to current 330 employees and expanding its services to 100 plus customers. 8th April 2016. Incorporation and Mumbai office opening. April and May. Customer acquisition. More than 10 customers. Setting up teams, primarily support team for acquired customers. Building relations with partners for new accounts. June. SAP partnership, Sonata partnership, Chennai office opening. Started expansion in geographies, new partners and local employees to serve regional customers. Started with Chennai office. July. Partnership month. ESDS, CSL, Control S, Intralinks. First international customer acquisition, SAP S/4HANA migration. Growth expanded to international markets and bonding with new partners for on-the-cloud and on-premise hardware services. August. First SAP S/4HANA customer acquisition. August 2016, the milestone month, as SAVIC acquired its first SAP S/4HANA 1610 customer, which was the starting point for branding SAVIC as next-generation technology services provider. September. Fashion retail customer go live in 90 days. The first SAP go live for SAVIC was achieved in a record 90 days in style. SAVIC had now emerged with its strong footprint in SAP. October. New office opening in Mumbai. Team SAVIC in Mumbai moved to a new and more spacious office. November. 7 partner qualified solution certified with GST solution. Come November 2016, SAP started recognizing SAVIC and a certified RDS rapid deployment solutions on SAP S/4HANA platform. December. SAP S/4HANA go live first in Asia. December 2016 is another path-breaking month for SAVIC, with Asia's first SAP S/4HANA 1610 go live. January. 2 new SAP S/4HANA projects kick off. 2017 started with a bang. 2 new SAP S/4HANA accounts sign off. Happy New Year! February. SAP S/4HANA Demo 21 certification. Successfully completing SAP Landscape Separation project in 58 days at Sri Lanka. March. Asia's first successful SAP S/4HANA 1610 go live in record 99 days time. SAVIC HRMS software go live successful went live with SAVIC. April. Go live in 88 days. SAP S/4HANA 1610. Go live in 90 days. SAP S/4HANA 1610. First Foundation Day. SAVIC had completed first year in style by expanding geographically in employee strength, customer confidence and partner faith. It's a promising second year to start our operations. First Employee of the Year award goes to Mr. Mahesh Kadam for his tremendous contribution for first-year organization growth. Coimbatore office started operations. May. It is time for GST as Government of India announced the final roadmap for the mega tax migration across Business India. SAVIC geared up to support the SAP business community by investing early in building right knowledge on GST, trained resources, and co-partnering with SAP on the initiative. The vision and hard work paid off well during the days to come. GST Solution Center, Mumbai, Chennai, and Coimbatore. A milestone kicked off with the GST implementation, which was a major turning point in 2017. 7 weeks go live. SAP Customer Services for Sri Lanka Business Conglomerate. SAVIC achieved its ISO 9001:2015 on way to fulfill its quest for right processes and systems in place. June. Rewarded with SAP S/4HANA implementation project for EC&O company in Mumbai. Bagged SAP S/4HANA implementation project for manufacturing in Gujarat. Award SAP S/4HANA implementation at Tamil Nadu. Helpline number 8080806851 and SAVIC Desk Live. Video conferencing meeting. July. 33 GST projects go live. August. The entire SAP community recognized SAVIC's intensity and commitment to serve the customers on next-generation technology by awarding SAP Emerging Partner of the Year 2017. September. Careers.savitech.com for job opening portal started to reach out to aspiring candidates online. October. One SAP S/4HANA implementation project at Pune. Pune operations started with a bang. SAVIC took up executive operations onto an autopilot mode by using all the necessary tools like SAP S/4HANA, Salesforce and HRMS system. November. One SAP S/4HANA 5 projects in Pan-India. December. One SAP S/4HANA 6 projects in Pan-India. New office in Gujarat started its operations. January. 2018 started with a bang of S/4HANA Go Live Pan-India Dhamaka. 360-degree award from NetMagic. February. Awarded SAP S/4HANA 1709 in Indore and Bengaluru. Awarded SuccessFactors project in Bengaluru. SAVIC team participated in Navi Mumbai Marathon 2018. March. SuccessFactors RDS qualification. The next big thing to happen in large volumes services business, SuccessFactors. Now SAVIC has a qualified RDS to take business to next level. SAP S/4HANA 2 go lives for tannery and logistic industry in Tamil Nadu, India. 10 plus SAP S/4HANA go live preparation started and work in progress as we talk about it. April 2018. Second Employee of the Year award goes to Miss Preeti Anand, 1 lakh Indian rupees, for her hard work, dedication and efforts towards the company. The month of April started with a bang of global go-lives to the tune of 15 S/4HANA projects. Also, it is a month of SAVIC Foundation Day celebrations organized in Mumbai in presence of valued customers, employees, industry leaders and Team SAP. May 2018. May brought us recognition from SAP as Best Marketing Partner of the Year 2017-2018. We win 2 SAP S/4HANA new customers in Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra. Qualified SAVIC SuccessFactors solution named SAVIC Populous. June 2018. Awarded 360 Partnership Award. Successful on-time go-live awards from ALF Engineering, Nasik and LRT Coimbatore. 2 SAP S/4HANA implementations projects in Delhi and Mumbai and SAP SuccessFactors implementation in Mumbai. July 2018. SAVIC ventured into SAP Leonardo space by opening up lab in our Chennai facility. Bagged 2 SAP S/4HANA projects, one in Bangalore and another in Mumbai, and SAP S/4HANA Cloud certification thanks to SAVIC Innovation Team. August 2018. Kickstarted New Region Delhi NCR with SAP S/4HANA Manufacturing and CPG Industry. Certified SAP Qualified Partner Package Solutions for Consumer Products. Team SAVIC certified in SAP Leonardo. September 2018. Bang with 3 SAP S/4HANA FMCG, Retail and Automotive Industry. Savik is now Gold Partner. October 2018, the best month ever. Awarded 3 SAP S/4HANA projects from CPG, retail and manufacturing industries. Digital transformation success story in real estate industry for go live in 100 days, published on sap.com. November 2018. Entrusted 2 new SAP S/4HANA implementation wins in international business, retail and EC&O. SAP S/4HANA Go Live at Pune. 1 success factor win in Jaipur. Digital transformation success story in auto component industry, published on sap.com. December 2018. Bang with 2 new wins for SAP S/4HANA Greenfield implementations in Maharashtra. SAP S/4HANA Go Live at Mumbai. 4 digital transformation success stories published on sap.com. Awarded Most Impactful Business Leaders 2018. Savik 2019. Happy New Year! Success is getting what you want. Savik is awarded as Digital Marketing Momentum Partner of the Year. Awarded first SAP S/4HANA Cloud implementation in Maharashtra. SAP S/4HANA Migration and Cloud for Customer Implementation Project at Gujarat. SAP S/4HANA implementation in Karnataka. 3 SAP S/4HANA 1809 Go Lives. February 2019, the month of love. 2 awards: Best ERP of the Year, Enterprise Mobility Management Solution of the Year. Backed SAP S/4HANA FMCG Greenfield Project in Karnataka. March 2019, Global HANA Hangama. Preparing to go live on SAP S/4HANA, 10 Savik customers across South America, Middle East, India, East Asian countries. April 2019, Celebration Month. Time for 3rd Foundation Day celebrations in Mumbai. Attended by all key employees, esteemed customers and valuable partners. Savik bags Best Debut Partner Award from SAP India. Employee of the Year, Mr. Mahesh Kadam. First successful S/4HANA conversion go live in Sri Lanka. CPG project The Rising go live in 150 days. May 2019. Hot summer and Teen Savik was red hot in sales and delivery pursuit. 8 successful business transformation SAP S/4HANA case study certified. SAP S/4HANA 1809 project go live in Pune. Savik Rupantaram S4 conversion qualified by SAP June 2019. Month of Magic. Savik is awarded the Channel World Premier 100 backed Greenfield implementation of SAP S/4HANA for leading CPG industry in Kerala and EC&O industry in Pune. SAP S/4HANA 1809 project Samruddh go live 100 days in Bengaluru and another go live for discrete manufacturing industry in Pune. July 2019. Savik bagged a Cool Award as Best Implementation Partner in Chennai, South India Business Awards 2019. Savik acquired SAP ECC migration to Microsoft Azure project in Sri Lanka. Savik bagged 2 SAP S/4HANA FMCG industry in Bengaluru and Cochin, 1 C4HANA at Pune. August 2019. Savik celebrated Independence Day with great reverence to nation across all offices in India. Savik acquired SAP S/4HANA Cloud and 1 SAP Analytics Cloud implementation in Maharashtra. Savik SAP Tatacom Cloud Package launch event in Bengaluru. 3 new Greenfield projects kick-started. 2 SAP S/4HANA in CPG industry, South India. September 2019. Auspicious month of Dussehra. Savik moved into new and spacious corporate office in Navi Mumbai. 3rd Annual General Body Meeting of Savik Technologies Private Limited held in Mumbai. 2 SAP S/4HANA projects go live in Tamil Nadu and Azure migration go live on time in Sri Lanka. October 2019. The month of biggest festivities of India started with winning 2 new SAP S/4HANA projects and go live of 2 SAP S/4HANA 1909 Greenfield implementations. Savik celebrated Diwali in style across all locations. Grahak Anubhavati, SAP CX Package Solution for SAP Sales Cloud and SAP Service Cloud got certified by SAP. Savik launched its Gurukul program. Interns Enablement first batch started. Savik celebrated Diwali in style across all locations. November 2019. Winter Special at Savik. Won first project for SAP migration onto AWS Cloud. Savik Technologies awarded Excellence in Enterprise Applications from CRN. Successful migration to SAP Suite on HANA completed in record time. Fortune 5 customer in Sri Lanka's production DR server went live in 38 days. December 2019. Year-end Bonanza. First fastest project go live for SAP S/4HANA Cloud in India. Savik won 6 SAP S/4HANA implementation projects across pan-India. Christmas celebration in all Savik offices. Get ready for the intelligent enterprise with Google Cloud by Savik launched. January 2020. It's New Year, new decade to start with a bang of go-lives and new project wins on SAP S/4HANA 1909 and SAP by Design projects kick off. SAP S/4HANA 1909 project win in one of India's fastest growing agri-tech companies in Tamil Nadu. SAP S/4HANA 1909 go live in leading spices industry in Pune. February 2020. It is a month of recognitions. Happy Valentine's Day! Savik is recognized as CMMI Level 5 company. Savik is now SAP Platinum Partner. SAP S/4HANA 1909 go live in leading wellness and healthcare manufacturing and retail company in Bengaluru. Navi Mumbai United Run event, a massive success for Savik. March 2020. Year-end, uncertain times. Against all odds, Savik managed to go live on SAP S/4HANA 1909 for one of the well-known automobile distributor in South India. Celebrated Women's Day in style across all locations. Go live on ECC to SAP S/4HANA conversion for a reputed and fast-growing biopharmaceutical organization in Mumbai. Celebrated Holi in all offices. Go live preparations for 5 customers across pan-India. Won 4 e-invoice projects and 2 SAP Analytics Cloud SAC projects. Savik successfully migrated to remote delivery model to combat COVID-19 pandemic. Savik CSR initiative for the month contributed to Prime Minister's fund. Savik initiated Stay Home, Stay Healthy by conducting yoga sessions, continuous surveys to understand various support requirements of employees, reaching out to the needy, etc. Journey will continue. Savik Rise, Customer Shine. Savik Rise, Customer Shine. Savik Rise, Customer Shine.